Yesterday we have seen problems based on standard derivatives and also rules of differentiation. Today also we will take 2 or 3 problems, and yesterday I have posted assignment on your Google Classroom. So its last date is Saturday. So last day is Saturday. So you have to complete and post it on Google Classroom only before Saturday only, because after that you will not able to submit that assignment. So today's date is 24/6/2020. So we'll start with some of the problems. Question is, differentiate the following functions with respect to x. Differentiate the following functions with respect to x. So question is, y is equal to e raised to x into tan x plus cos x into log x minus root x into 5 raised to x minus root x into 5 raised to x. So its solution, differentiating with respect to x. Now see here students, here in this function, in this given function, here e raised to x and tan x both are in product. Here also cos x and log x, these functions are in product, and here also product of these two functions, root x into 5 raised to x. So we will start differentiating. So derivative of y is dy by dx. Next, derivative of this whole function, that is d by dx of e raised to x tan x plus cos x into log x minus root x into 5 raised to x. Now d by dx of, we will separate this derivative. Minus d by dx of root x into 5 raised to x. Now we will start differentiating. Now we know that this is in the form of u into v, and we know that u into v, d by dx of u into v, we know that this rule, product rule. So in that, what is product rule? U, that is here u is e raised to x, this is u and this is v. So what is our rule, product rule? U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is our product rule. So u as it is, derivative of tan x plus tan x as it is, derivative of e raised to x plus, now this d by dx of cos x into log x. Here u is this and v is this. So u as it is, cos x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of cos x minus, now derivative of this. So we will write this in square bracket because minus side is there outside of this function. So here u is this and v is this. So u as it is, derivative of 5 raised to x plus this v as it is, 5 raised to x as it is, derivative of root x. Okay, e raised to x as it is, Derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x plus tan x into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus cos x as it is, derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is, derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x. Minus root x. Here in this root x as it is, derivative of 5 raised to x. It is of the form a raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. So derivative of 5 raised to x will be 5 raised to x into log 5. Okay. Plus this 5 raised to x as it is, derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. So e raised to x into sec square x plus tan x into e raised to x plus cos x upon x, because cos x into 1 upon x is cos x upon x. Now plus into minus, this will be minus log x into sin x minus, now we'll multiply to the whole this bracket by minus sign. So minus root x into 5 raised to x into log 5 minus plus minus 5 raised to x upon 2 root x. 5 raised to x upon 2 root x. This is our dy by dx. This is our dy by dx. Complete this problem, students. And if you have any doubt, ask. Done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Okay. So we will take another example. Now next example, second, y is equal to x into e raised to x upon x plus e raised to x. X into e raised to x upon x plus e raised to x. Now students, here you can see this function is in the form of quotient. So you have to use quotient rule. So, and this is u and this is v. Okay, and first we will write that rule, d by dx of u upon v. V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. Okay, now we will start differentiating this function. Differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of this y is dy by dx is equal to, now here students, here you can see that this is u and this is v. So first we have to keep this v as it is, that is x plus e raised to x. D by dx of u means derivative of this function x into e raised to x minus u into, that means x into e raised to x into d by dx of what? V, x plus e raised to x divided by x plus e raised to x whole bracket square. Now this x plus e raised to x as it is. Now derivative of x into e raised to x, this derivative we will find out this derivative by product rule. So u into v rule. So this x as it is, derivative of d by dx of v e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is, derivative of x minus x into e raised to x as it is. Now we will separate this derivative, means d by dx of x plus d by dx of e raised to x, okay, divided by this as it is, x plus e raised to x as it is, x plus e raised to x whole bracket square. Now x plus e raised to x as it is, this x as it is, derivative of e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x into, derivative of x is 1, derivative of x is 1 minus x into e raised to x as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus d by dx of e raised to x. एक सेकंड, हाँ, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only. Here it was addition of this function x plus e raised to x. So we have separated this derivative d by dx of x plus d by dx of e raised to x divided by x plus e raised to x whole bracket square. Next, x plus e raised to x as it is into x into e raised to x plus e raised to x minus x e raised to x plus 1, e raised to x into 1 will be e raised to x only, plus 1 plus e raised to x divided by x plus e raised to x whole bracket square. Okay, so complete this part till here. Then I'll write in the above part. Now is it okay? Here we will x into e raised to x. What? What happened? Now? Just a second. Huh? Now is it okay? Now? What about others?
Ma'am, it is not clear.
Okay. Just a second. Now is it okay?
No, ma'am.
Which part you cannot see? Or is it blur only?
Ma'am, all blur, ma'am, पूरा blur.
Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete this part, this problem till here. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll wait. Now here in this step we can take e raised to x as a common. So x plus e raised to x into e raised to x plus 1. We are taking e raised to x in the common factor in this bracket minus. Now we will multiply to this complete bracket by this function x into e raised to x. X into e raised to x into 1 will be x into e raised to x. Here it is minus sign, so minus into plus will be minus. Minus plus will be minus x e raised to x square. Okay, divided by x plus e raised to x whole bracket square. This is our final answer. Okay, you can keep it as it is. Now complete this part only. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to start with actual syllabus of 12th standard. So first we are going to see derivatives of composite function. Now first we will see what is composite function. Suppose now derivatives of composite function. Derivatives of composite function. Now suppose we will take example log of sine square x. Log of sine square x. Now in this function you can see that here one function is log and another function is sine x. So function of function. This type of function is called as composite function. Okay, or you can see suppose we will take sine root x. Sine root x. So here it is sine function is also present and with that root x. That means root x is another function. So this type of function is called as composite function. Okay. Now we are going to see one theorem which is based on this composite function only, and that theorem is very important according to board point of view, board exams. They ask that theorem for sure. They ask that theorem for 3 or 4 marks. Okay. So we will write the statement of that theorem today and we will see that proof of that statement in the tomorrow's lecture. So theorem, very important theorem students. There are 3 to 4 theorems in differentiation. They are important in board exams. So write down the statement of this theorem. If, write this with me only. If y is equal to f of u is a differentiable function, differentiable function of u and u is equal to g of x, is a differentiable function of x such that y is equal to f of g of x is a differentiable function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dx into du by dx. Okay, here it is dy by du into du by dx. It is in this form, dy by du into du by dx. Student, there is a mistake, printing mistake in this theorem in textbook. So please write this down, and so that you will not get confused. So write down the statement of this theorem, and in tomorrow's session we will see proof of the theorem. Okay, now see students, what is this theorem? Because I am not going to write this statement tomorrow. If y is equal to f of u is a differentiable function of u, and here it is y is equal to f of u, and this u is a differentiable function of f of u is a differentiable function of u, and here u is what? G of x. It is another function, is a differentiable function of x such that y is equal to f of u is what? G of x. F of g of x is a differentiable function of x. So here you can see f is one function and g of x is another function. So function of function, this is a form of composite function, is a differentiable function of x. Then we have to prove this dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. We will prove this in next session. So any doubt in today's session? And start solving assignment. If you have any doubt in that assignment problem, you can message me, okay? Okay, thank you.